Hello, greetings from ISM. I hope all of you are doing very well. Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to the post analysis of Nifty 50. Now, आज की वीडियो में again we are going to analyze the levels that the market are going to be in the coming sessions. अगर आप हमारी वीडियोस कंटिन्यूस बेसिस पे देख रहे हैं then you would have known कि market already bearish mode में थी and these all the levels that we have predicted has come to the realization. Even in the post pre-market analysis of the videos that we have made about the Nifty 50, all the levels that we have told are very well passed and very well pointed out. So again, we are going to do a quick analysis for you guys so we can help you out finding out the levels and what levels we can see in the coming sessions. Okay, so again on the weekly chart, let me reveal my drawings and all. Right. So this is the level, the trend line being respected, the market being forming a evening pattern here, evening star pattern, and the market been respecting that. Again a dozy pattern and the market opened with a gap down this week and the market been on the lower side of the dozy. So right now it's very easy to say that the market are going to continue the trend lower side and continue to be the bearish mode. So coming to the daily chart, so daily chart, again the level of support has been tested and it has been a crucial level for the market. It sustained the level and has been providing support. Again 16,890 levels again been the support level. If the market breaks this level, breaches this level, then the new levels you can see will be around 16,500 again. And this level, which is providing support right now, will be converted into resistance and market will be seeing a resistance level here. Speaking about this range bound area, the market try to stay in this range bound area despite the global factors. You can see the 16,900 area has been providing a really good support to the Nifty, and you can see the higher levels coming. Yeah, so these level will be around here. 17,158 is going to be a crucial resistance level if the market tries to trend higher. First the 17,064, then 17,154. These levels are going to be very much crucial when the market tries to break the higher levels of the resistance. Okay, so this is the analysis of Nifty 50. I hope you understood this video. If you have any other comments, any other questions, anything you want to ask, you can comment down below or contact us on the given phone number, which you can see at the below of the screens, or WhatsApp us, whatever you feel like, and we'll try our best to respond and to answer your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, trade well. Bye.